Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about whether you can deposit checks using the BMO mobile app. Yes, you can easily deposit checks using the BMO mobile banking app. The mobile check deposit feature allows eligible digital banking customers to deposit checks directly into a checking, savings, or money market account right from a smartphone or tablet without needing to visit a physical branch or ATM. To use this feature, open the BMO mobile app, select the deposit option, choose the destination account, and take clear photos of both the front and the back of your endorsed check following the on-screen prompts. Keep in mind that your account must generally be open for a specific minimum period to use mobile deposits, and your transactions are subject to daily or weekly dollar limits as well as standard funds availability policies. You can verify your specific deposit limits directly inside the app before submitting your check. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.